Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'm going to be featuring transitional rugs. Now, transitional rugs are called transitional because they transition between antique traditional rugs and provide a little bit more of a modern twist to them. And this beautiful Ushak rug that you see here is the perfect design of what a transitional rug would look like. You have the traditional border. Sometimes there's a medallion in the center. However, what has been revamped is the colors and even the wash. Normally, you wouldn't see this type of color combination in an antique Ushak rug. But what they've done to make it more transitional is to switch the color tones to provide a little bit more vibrancy with this gold, the peach there, and a beautiful soft blue all together to be able to match the decor of transitional homes. Now, what makes this specific rug here of a transitional style, besides the traditional Ushak design that has been implemented, are the soft tones that are used in terms of the color, and also the implementation of a shorter trim along the border. Again, transitional rugs are trying to transition from the antique traditional realm to something a little bit more modern. So this type of design is great for people that are looking to have a little bit more freshness to their rooms, but at the same time still respect and love the traditional patterns that we see in a lot of antique rugs. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.